Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marldita and today ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag winged eyeliner. So tutok lang, and kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, make sure to click the subscribe button down below and the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga susunod kong i-upload. Okay, so tool number 1 is ang ating gel liner. This is from Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner in shade black. So ito yung brush niya. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa pag-apply ng eyeliner. So first, get some of the product sa brush. You have to have a mirror na nasa line ng vision ninyo. Not here, not here, pero dito. Okay? Start by connecting the tip of your lower lash line to the tail of your eyebrows. Pag nasa tip ka na, make sure to flick it and don't apply too much pressure para medyo faded yung portion dun sa tip ng eyeliner. Two-thirds away from the tip, connect mo ito papunta sa lash line mo to make a triangle. Tip ko lang sa inyo, pwede nyong ipatong yung elbow ninyo na naghahawak ng applicator or ng brush sa isang sturdy surface para mas stable yung kamay ninyo at hindi masyadong manginig. So now, nakikita ninyo hindi pa masyadong pantay yung pagkaka-apply because medyo nag-harden yung product sa brush kasi nga nagsalita pa ako kanina bago nag-apply. But you can always take some of the product and even this out a little more. Ito yung isang disadvantage ng gel liner kasi nga you have to work fast and accurate para hindi ka na maabutan ng pagtuyo ng product dun sa mismong brush or ng applicator mo. So, ayan, nakikita ninyo, I'm evening it out dun sa triangle na part. At hindi ko i-skip any part of this video para di nyo naman sabihin na dinaya ko kayo. Ayan, so medyo okay na yan for me. It doesn't have to be so perfect kasi pwede pa akong mag-tight line later. And sa inner corner of my eye, I apply it as thin as possible and as close to my lash line as possible. Ang pag-eyeliner, nakadepende din kasi sa shape ng eyes mo. So, you have to practice more and more para makuha mo yung tamang shape ng eyeliner based sa shape ng mata mo. Kasi sometimes, yung eyeliner makes your eyes droopy, it can make your eyes lifted. Nakadepende lahat yan. So, practice lang. Because your eyeliner can make you or break you. Pak! Ganon. So, ayan na siya. If you look closely, ito na yung ating eyeliner. Sa kabilang side, using this gel liner. So, dumako naman tayo sa next tool na ating gagamitin, which is the eyeliner pen. So, I think ito yung pinaka madaling gamitin and madaling i-handle kung beginner ka pa lang. And kung nagpa-practice ka pa lang mag-eyeliner. Same step. you have to have a mirror in line with your vision. Okay? And using this eyeliner, I will just pat or put a stamping motion sa paglalagay, especially close dito sa inner eye. So first, iba yung strategy ko dito when it comes to this pen. I start from the inner, unlike sa gel liner which nag-start ako from the outer. So, we'll start from the inner eye. Okay. As mentioned earlier, I start from the inner corner of my eye and with a patting or stomping motion ko nilalagay yung eyeliner kasi mas madali ito and less error kumpara sa isa-stroke mo yung brush. Pero kung komportable ka sa pag-stroke, sa'yo na yun. Same principle pa din. Mas thin yung paglalagay doon sa inner corner compared sa outer corner. So, kahit medyo hindi even or messy yung pagkakalagay mo dun sa outer corner, okay lang yan kasi magta-triangle ka pa. Okay, nandiyan lang muna tayo. So, I will just pat in more product closer to my lash line. Okay, and hayaan muna natin matuyo kasi kung hooded eye ka, once inopen mo yung mata mo, alam mo na yung mangyayari. I think tuyo na ang ating eyeliner. Maglalagay na tayo sa outer part. Same technique pa rin tayo, starting from the tip of your lower lash line, connect it to the tail of your eyebrow. It will give you a more balanced look. And again, 2/3 away from the tip of your eyeliner, connect it to your lash line to make a triangle. Likewise, I won't be skipping any part of this video para sabihin ninyo na hindi ko kayo dinadaya. Okay? So, gusto ko lang i-point out ito. If you look closer to my eye, ang fold ng mata ko on this eye is hanggang dito lang. So, it won't affect the shape of my eyes kapag mag-eyeliner ako sa eye na to. But, kung dito naman sa kabila, ang fold ng mata ko goes until almost beyond this point. So, nakikita nyo, kung imumulat ko yung mata ko, there's something wrong, diba? So, ang gagawin natin to correct that, again, with my mirror, yung gagawin natin with my eyes open, aapakan lang natin yung line to make a triangle without considering the fold. Ayan, so I will just even out the parts to make my eyeliner look more sharp and more perfect in shape, starting from the inner corner towards the outer part. So, kahit ako na matagal nang gumagamit ng eyeliner, medyo nahihirapan pa rin ako kasi hindi naman tayo lahat biniyayaan ng perfect eye shape. So, ayan, medyo may mga bumps and scars yung eyelids ko from when I was young. Kaya medyo nahihirapan ako mag-apply ng eyeliner on my right eye dahil sa mga scars na to. But, don't worry. Kaya nga tinawag na makeup eh. It can make it up. We're done. Para ma-check natin kung even or pantay yung eyeliner natin sa magkabilang mata, So, you have to look sa mirror na mas malayo sa atin and correct that. Here's the catch. So, kung feeling mong hindi pantay yung eyeliner mo, okay lang yan. Wala namang magsasabi na, ay, tabingi ata yung eyeliner niya. Oh my God, trust me girl, no one will tell the difference. Ikaw lang nakakaalam yan. So, don't be too meticulous sa paglalagay kasi lalo lang kakapal at kadami at magpapatong-patong lang yan on your eyes. If you have some mistakes, dali lang yan. Just get a Q-tip and lagyan mo ng konting cleanser. Then, clean the lower or upper, whichever kung saan may mali. So, pwedeng-pwede lang yan. So, fortunately, sa video na to, hindi ako nagkamali. Hindi ako masyadong pumalpa, kaya ano tayo sa mga lovely ladies natin dyan nang walang eyeliner or gel liner, although mura lang naman yung eyeliner and pencil lang yung nasa kamay nyo, no problem kasi pwedeng gamitin ang kahit na anong black eyeliner pencil na nasa purse ninyo or nasa bag ninyo or nasa pouch ninyo. Okay? So, kailangan lang i-sharpen mo yung sobrang sharp na pwede mo nang isaksak sa chismosa mong kapitbahay. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun lang din yung process. Same lang din. Although, dalawa lang kasi yung mata ko, kaya I don't want to ruin din my eye makeup. So, ayan lang. Ganyan lang siya. Same process sa gel liner or maybe you can use that technique sa aking or eyeliner pen. Ganun pa din. Just, ganun ka lang. Oo. Yan. Ganyan. Hanggang sa ma-achieve mo. Okay. That's it for today. And I hope may naituro akong maganda sa inyo. I know. Kailangan maging maganda tayo. Hindi na nga maganda yung sitwasyon sa mundo. Tapos hindi pa tayo maganda, 'di ba? So, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung difference between gel liner and eyeliner pen. So, if you want to go sa matte na look, gel liner is your go-to. Kasi matte siya. Matte siya. Meanwhile, the eyeliner pens or other liquidy eyeliners na makikita ninyo or mabibili ninyo, it's more of a shiny effect. So, hindi siya matte. And just to tell you the difference, para you have a choice or you have an option whenever you apply eyeliner. And using this one, it's also matte. So, no problem. Suggestion ko lang, kung gagamit kayo ng ganito, choose something na waterproof. Kasi, most of the time, gumaganon tayo ng mata or ganon, basta ganon. So, most probably, kakalat siya and it would not look very, very good. So, see you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.